I'll be giving a quick review on the repair process from DJI of this Mavic Mini. Being a newbie drone pilot at the time, I did what most newbies do and flew it straight into a fucking tree. Now this mishap obviously caused some serious damage to the gimbal, support brackets, wiring, blades and camera. Proper wrecked. Yeah, I was pretty devastated, and I didn't have the DJI refresh package.
Voy a la playa, había subido la marea.
Went online to suss out some parts, and wow, bullshit expensive. I was looking at over 300 Aussie dollars, plus a good solid like few months shipping from the US. That wasn't an option for me, nope. So I bit the bullet and said to myself, you know what, I'll suss out DJI directly and see what repair services they might have. The whole process was painless and straightforward. Log into DJI, select the aircraft to repair, add the details of your crash or items to be repaired, and then send it away. DJI sent a communication saying that they'd received the request and attached an express post sticker for me to send off. Once DJI had received the drone, I was frequently updated with the repair progress. Within a couple of days, I had pictures sent to me of the damage that was done, obviously their repair plan fit out, and of course, a big one, the cost. $184. That was a lot better than the $300 it was for me to do it myself. I was definitely happy with that, and I received it back within 2 days after payment. And when I got it back, I was pleasantly surprised by what I found. I had received a completely new drone, different serial numbers, everything. So DJI actually gave me a complete replacement. So in summary, I highly recommend DJI's repair service. Thank you very much DJI Australia, and thank you very much to the viewers for watching this video. See you on the next one. Cheers.